There is a universal secret of luxury. It is being understood. Understood by one who senses your unspoken words, your deepest desires, and where you yearn to spend the most glorious moments of your life. The greatest luxury is understanding your desire to embrace boundless horizons. Seek the moments of serene silence and enjoy the symphony of love when surrounded by the people you love. Isn't it wonderful when someone comprehends your desire to crown your success? Create a place where your past and future glories intertwine. Capture the pride you carry in your heart and the magnificence of your ambitions. At Raheja Universal, we firmly believe that embracing an unhurried existence is the ultimate luxury. The greatest luxury in the world is to be understood, to understand your yearning to reach for the sky. Raheja Universal.